Yan lang, pila yung overnight.
Thailand.
Hi guys, so we are here at Luhod Mountain Resort, and I'm here at the entrance of the resort. As you can hear, there are many gangis. So in our language, it is called gangis. In English, it is called cricket, something. I don't know. I'm not so sure about that. Yeah, so let's go down and see what's inside the resort. So Luhod Mountain Resort is actually in Barili, Cebu. So the name of the resort is Green Mountain Spring Resort. Yeah, if I'm not wrong, that's the name of the spring of the resort. Yeah, and look what we have here, guys. And that's the spring. It's just small, but it's nice. You can really feel its nature city. Nature city. That's the house. They have these cute cottages right there. And they have this beautiful massage area. And they also have, what's this? A sauna. There, how to use a sauna. Wow. Sauna. Sauna, sauna. Kasi nga na, sauna, sauna.
Sauna.
Sauna. Oh. Sauna.
Uban sauna.
Different school, different pronunciation. They have also this small pond just behind the sauna. Sauna. Wow. It's Karen right there. Hi, Matt.
Hello.
And they have a small playground. I don't know if it's functional. Welcome to my vlog. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome the Tagay Tokotok Girls. Candidate number 1.
Tagay tokotok. Tagay tokotok. Tagay tokotok.
Representing Barangay Tagay Tokotok. Let us all welcome the Tagay Tokotok Girls in their production number. Tagay Tokotok, Tagay Tokotok, Tagay Tokotok, 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 Tokotok. Salomon, Beps. Catch. Yeah, catch. Quick, be quick. Quick, quick, quick. Dili, ay patong mo, bambam. Iset na ko, iset na ko. UAP spikers. Apil ka, dos ka? Aw. Tres na ning atag ha. Oh, ge. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. Bitaw, sayop na setter. Sayop setter.
Okay, napa sa shot ang stylist. Saka ang direct yan. Saka yan. Saka ang puto. Kurma pa, gamay. Ready?
Ang Adam's apple tabunay lagi.
1, 2, 3, go!
Iipit sa tarong.
Go! Balik.
Iipit sa tarong.
Saum lang. 1, sila ba mo salom? Salom lang, kuhan mo props.
Okay, kamo man ang mermaid.
Mermaid, tao mo.
Kamo mga koi. Koi ba? Dili ukoy.
1.
Balik.
3, go!
Ayaw pala big-ungan kaya muna sa dako. Ana.
1, 2, 3.
Bye, sige na pagkatao. Mau ato sa ilawang food.
Ang pila yung overnight dire? 3,000 tanan.
Access is 300 head.
Tapos
Sampling. Tanan magamit. Kitchen, kanang duha ka to this, and then sa ubos.
Abay mo na yung makasulain.
Wala. Exclusive.
so 3,000 good for 10.
Access is 300 head.
Okay. Okay.
So good for 10 ang 3,000.
Okay nya. Kana siya nga cottage mong kana nga balay.
So, kanin sa ubos, and then pwede sa dito. So, kamo na bahala.
Yeah,
But
exclusive.
whole placement.